My name is Mark Webster. I'm the principal of the best middle school in Hardin County, the one that you're standing in, Bluegrass Middle School. We are really excited to welcome, at this point, 245 incoming sixth graders who are getting ready to join the Bulldog family. That's a compliment to the work that our teachers and our staff are doing here at Bluegrass, and that we have the largest sixth grade class in the history of the school. And we have currently about 695 students on the books for our school, which is an incredible period of growth that we're experiencing here at Bulldog Nation. And we are really excited to welcome everybody back and get rolling on another historic year.
Finley. I am the Library Media Specialist and School Technology Coordinator here at Bluegrass Middle School. Tonight, as you can see, people in the background walking around, we are having an open house, and there's a lot of things going on right now, but something I wanted to point out, some changes for this year with technology. In the past, we have been sending all of our Chromebooks home with our students. This school year we are changing. They're all going to stay at school. So be a little different, a little bit of a transition period, but I think it's going to be a great change, and I look forward to some of those changes and being able to focus a little bit more off the computers and spending time on computers as we need those to enhance our instruction. In the Media Center, of course, we have a plethora of reading materials. Hope that I can help you find some things that you're interested in. Look forward through the school year.